unleash the Saiyan power. Shatter what you can become. That's right. And guess what? Great news, Future Trunks is back. And this time he's bringing on his Super Saiyan form to another level. Tonight we're going to draw Super Saiyan Trunks Power. Tonight we're going to draw Powerhouse Super Saiyan Trunks. That's right, everyone. You remember that? You remember in the hyperbolic time chamber when Trunks and his father, Vegeta, spent 1 year training? And thanks to Trunks, this guy, the Saiyan Prince Vegeta, took his Super Saiyan form to another level. He became Powerhouse Vegeta. And just like that, that transformation must have rubbed up on him. And he transformed it into the same form. He used this transformation to finally destroy Cell back in his future. The last time we saw this transformation was on Dragon Ball Super, when they were training again. This is what Powerhouse Trunks looks like when he's wearing Vegeta's suit. And dare I say, damn, he looks great. Getting started, of course, we drew the eyes. Now, the next thing we do, we draw the Super Saiyan hair. Only Trunks' Super Saiyan hair is basically long and pointy. Longer, sharper, and pointier. It was thanks to this transformation that Trunks was able to finally destroy the androids. Android 17 and Android 18. He even took Dawn under his wing and became... Well, Dawn became Trunks' apprentice. And thanks to that, Dawn mastered Ultra Instinct. Just an idea. And a really great episode, too. Actually, it would be a really great movie. Alexa, play Limit Break.
Limit Break X Survivor from Dragon Ball Super.
There we go. Now, the next thing we do, we draw the other half of Powerhouse Trunks. I feel like Trunks from our realm, our reality, might achieve this transformation one of these days. He might achieve the Powerhouse form. Who knows? Maybe he might one day achieve Super Saiyan Rage. This transformation came long before Super Saiyan Rage. This is the power of a Super Saiyan powerhouse. Other fighters can achieve this transformation. The powerhouse form involves fighters like Caulifla, Cell, and of course, Frieza. I'm glad I got to draw him. That's what he looks like. That's how you draw a powerhouse Cell. Oh yeah, one more thing we must draw, and that's the Super Saiyan aura that surrounds him. Wow, he looks great. There he is, everyone. That's how you draw a powerhouse Trunks. Now let's power up!